Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn on show always. Open settings, scroll down, click on lock screen and always on display. Here you will see always on display. And if you want to turn on show always, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, always on display will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart again, click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open settings, search do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Here you will see do not disturb. And if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turn off from your phone. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option. And if you want to update, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. After that, reset all settings. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix always on display not working in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.